Hero Moto Corp has recently started distributing its limited edition motorcycle, the XPulse 204V Rally Edition. This variant of the company's dual-purpose motorcycle will be given a lot of styling and hardware compared to the standard model. Updates have been received. The price will remain unchanged and the ex-showroom price of the second batch of the Rally Edition will be 1,52,000. On the other hand, you can buy a motorcycle, making it about 16,000 more expensive than the standard model. The car will be available for booking through Hero Moto Corp's online sales platform. The company has the first 100 XPulse 204V Rally Edition for its customers at an event held in Bangalore. Launched the motorcycle of delivery. The first batch of motorcycles was sold out within 4 days of the initial booking starting. Now, the company has confirmed in its press statement that it will soon launch the XPulse 204V Rally Edition. Bookings for its second batch will begin. Keep in mind that Hero Moto Corp is the date of sale in the second batch, or the number of units sold has not been specifically disclosed. However, we expect two-wheeler manufacturers to offer the same units as the first batch. Speaking of styling, the motorcycle has rally code graphics, the decal of the rally version, and fuel on the front fender. Hardware upgrades include a long and fully adjustable suspension setup, extended gear lever, long side stand, and dual-purpose tires are included.